Hi, I'm Dana. I am going to take you through a brief introduction into the deep drive that you're going to get from Brian in a few minutes on the UMC Outer Loop. So UMC stands for, wait, what? I have a smudge under my eye? Oh, let's get that monkey out of the room right now. Yes, I have a shiner. I have a newly rebuilt shoulder. Yes, it happened at a racetrack. Yes, I was driving super fast that morning, if I do say so myself. And no, it didn't happen in a car. Not going to tell you how it happened because it was really dumb. But vanity isn't going to stand in the way of me having some fun and giving you a brief introduction into what you're going to see with Brian's deep drive. So UMC, Utah Motorsports Campus, is the same as Larry Miller. A lot of old schoolers still call it Larry Miller. Whatever, we're going to call it UMC. We're talking today about the outer loop. So we also have a deep drive on the full configuration. There are 4 configurations at UMC. This time we're talking about the outer loop, which is super similar to the full configuration, except there are 15 turns, not 23, and it's about 3.048 miles. Other than that, a lot of the turns are very, very similar, but I'm going to warn you right now, watch out for witchcraft. It's right around number 7, depending on which configuration you're doing. But witchcraft in this configuration takes me by surprise every single time. In this configuration, it's a super wide sweeping, like 90 mile per hour turn and it's a right turn, which I find more difficult to hang on to because I'm little and I slide around the seats a bit too much. But it's a right turn that often has people going off to the left. So be careful of witchcraft. It's a tricky one. As always, UMC tracks are counterclockwise. As always, they're at altitude, 4,400 feet, which means your car is going to perform differently than if you are in the middle of the desert in California. Also, Utah has lots and lots of weather, extreme. Never can count on the weather being the same 2 days in a row. Fastest time on this configuration in a really fast car is right around 2 minutes, give or take. In a slower or a street car, you're going to see right around 2:20 or so. All right, if you have not yet had the pleasure of watching one of Brian's deep drives, enjoy. Fasten your seatbelt, harnesses, whatever the case may be. Brian has a gift for taking you into the nuances that will improve your track time, and he does it in a really fun manner. So get ready and enjoy Brian's deep drive into the UMC Outer Loop.